The magnetic dartboard by CUKU is a versatile and engaging indoor game designed for children and adults alike. It comes with a 13-inch double-sided dartboard and a set of 12 magnetic darts, making it a safe alternative to traditional darts with sharp tips. The board features a standard dartboard on one side and an archery-style target on the other, offering two different game modes in one product. This dual functionality adds variety and keeps the gameplay interesting for users of all ages. The magnetic darts have strong magnets that stick firmly to the board, ensuring that the darts do not fall off easily and providing a satisfying experience similar to real darts. This feature is especially appreciated by parents who want a safe game for their children, as the magnetic tips prevent injuries and avoid damage to walls or furniture. The product dimensions of approximately 13.5 by 13.5 inches make it a perfect size for indoor use in bedrooms, playrooms, or even offices. It is lightweight and easy to hang on any wall, with clear instructions included on the optimal height for mounting. Users have praised the ease of setup and portability, which allows the dartboard to be used indoors or outdoors, such as hanging it on a pergola in the backyard for family fun. The magnetic darts are designed to give the feel of a real dart game without the risks associated with traditional darts. The set is suitable for children aged 5 and up, making it an excellent educational tool that encourages hand-eye coordination and a spirit of challenge. Many customers have reported that the dartboard is a hit as a gift for children, especially around holidays like Christmas, with kids enjoying the game safely and enthusiastically. The product has received high ratings, with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars from nearly 6,000 reviewers, highlighting its popularity and reliability. Positive feedback often mentions the strong magnetism of the darts, the fun gameplay for the whole family, and the safe design that prevents injuries. Some users have noted minor issues such as a few darts having weak magnets or magnets falling out, but these cases appear to be exceptions rather than the norm. Overall, the magnetic dartboard is praised for its durability, safety, and entertainment value. It serves well as a team-building activity, a children's toy, or a casual game for adults. Its educational benefits, combined with the fun factor, make it a great addition to any home or recreational space. The bright, colorful design adds to its appeal, making it inviting for kids to play. The 1-year warranty offered by the manufacturer provides additional peace of mind for buyers. In conclusion, the CUKU magnetic dartboard is a thoughtfully designed product that balances safety, fun, and usability. Whether for family game nights, children's playtime, or casual competitions, it delivers a satisfying dart game experience without the risk of traditional darts. If you own this dartboard, consider leaving a review to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase the product is in the description and supports the channel. This dartboard is a must-have for anyone looking for a safe, entertaining, and easy-to-use dart game for kids and adults.